Hi guys, it's Sammie and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, as you read by the title and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we are going to be unboxing the B album. So I've actually done this on TikTok already. It was just a short video, but I still wanted to do a long video for everybody else's sake because I didn't really show much on my TikTok. It was just a reaction of me unboxing. So I am going to show you the contents of this beautiful album. Oh my god, okay. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or the notification box when I post every Friday. By the way, if you guys hear like motorcycles passing by because we're near the end of the border, let's get on to the video. So here it is. Oh, so pretty. I actually got this from Winter Blush Manila on Instagram. I love her so much. Ani Danica, shout out to you. She's literally the best. I get mostly all of my merch, like all my starting merch came from her and her shop. Not even kidding. Her albums actually came so fast. I actually also ordered on Weavers and then from another shop called Rare Official, if you guys have ever heard of it. So I do have a lot more of this coming. Hers came pretty fast, but she does get all her stuff from Korea. And yeah, so she gave me freebies. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a photo frame. I don't think it's stickers. Yeah, it's just this. And then she gave me a note. She said, "Annyeong Samantha, thank you so much for..." Samantha, she doesn't call me Samantha, so weird. But yeah, thank you so much for trusting us again. Hope you like this too. More boodle soon, char. Haha, stay safe always. Winter Blush Manila. And then she gave me freebies of photo cards. Oops, Hobie. That I can put at the back of my phone. Thank you, Ani Danica. It's so pretty. And then at the back it says. So here we go. This is it, the album. So it's really thick, as you can see. Of course, must have that sticker to make sure it's authentic. And then this is the spine, and then this is the front. There are lyrics of Life Goes On the cover, which is so pretty. And it's so scary to hold this because I don't know if my hands are dirty or not, and I don't want to get the album dirty. But this album is so much more different from all the other albums that they have. I mean, Dark and Wild is almost the same with the flap and everything. So the first thing, when you open it, I actually interchanged it, but this is actually the first thing that you see when you open the album. It's the photo book. So there's a lot of controversy about this photo book because here on the other side, there is no spine that binds this part of the photo book, and that is because, okay, for people who don't know and are freaking out because like the photos are falling off, Big Hit purposely didn't put a spine on the black part of the photo book so that you can remove the photos and post it on your wall. So smart. I love Big Hit. But people like me, I don't really like posting much on my wall, and yeah, so I like to keep it like super clean. But it's so pretty. I've gone through all the photos and damn. And then this is the actual photo book, the one that has a binding. And oh, it's Hobie. So yeah, I've also gone through this. So that's that. So that is what this photo book is. Pretty cool if you ask me. It's one of my favorite albums as of the moment, to be honest. And then after that, you have the making book. So I'm not sure if you can like write on this, and I'm pretty sure that you can because there's like grids and stuff, but I wouldn't want to write on it. I've gone through this as well, and it's so pretty. Like, it has everything in it. So what I super love about this album is that they were very inclusive of ARMY to the making of this album, like during their lives and stuff. Oh my god. Yeah, like they included ARMY in the making of this album more than any other album that they made. and that's what I super love about them. And then next thing that you have is this. They're like photo postcards. This is Yoongi's painting. Everybody knows that. If you've seen Yoongi's YouTube lives, he's been painting this. I miss him so much. And then there are all these other pretty photo cards that you can... I'll show you where you can post these later. You can post them on your wall if you're like into that stuff, but I'm not really into that stuff. And yeah, so there's those. I'll show you where you can put this later. There's actually something in the album where you can place this. And then next we have, of course, the photo cards. So everybody knows that BTS's albums have like a random photo card in them, and that's what everybody waits for because they want to see if they got their bias or not. But this album actually comes with all 7 of them and a group photo card, which is so cute. So the difference of these photo cards from the rest of the photo cards of their previous albums is that they're all landscape. So I don't know how I'm gonna place this behind my phone. I really don't, but I will show you guys the photo cards. That is not focusing. But there's Jimin, there's the group. Oops, Jungkookie. Oops, why is it upside down? Taehyung. Is it Seokjin? Yeah. Yoongi, Hobi, and June. So I have no idea how I'm gonna place these at the back of my phone, honestly, because they are landscape, as I've said. But good thing that they placed a Polaroid. So I think this is what I'm gonna put at the back of my phone. It's so cute. It's all of them, and then here it says life goes on. So I think this is the one that I'm gonna place behind my phone. Okay, so for the actual CD itself, here it is. Ta-da! It's a window. And then it says life goes on, and then B, and then you can open it like this, and then the CD has the boys' faces on them. I love it so much. Okay, so back to the photo cards. I mean the postcards. This is what I was saying. There's a little slot here on the window of the CD, and then you can place it over here, just like that. So when you close it, it's gonna look like that. So pretty, right? I love how they made this album so much. It's so cute. Okay, so I don't have the Weavers gift, but it is coming because I did order from Weavers. So if you want to see the free gift that you get from Weavers when you pre-ordered during the pre-order days, I'll just post it on my Instagram, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, my username is on your screen. Or if it's not on your screen, then it's at sammiedelly and in the description box below. So this is what else is included. It's the lyrics. So everybody knows that BTS's albums come with like a lyric book, but this time they made it like a poster kind of thing, and it's so cute because it's in their handwriting. Okay, they hand written it themselves. If I'm speaking proper English, and that's the right grammar. And that's back to back. So you have like, I have no idea what these are. They're probably letters because it has the members' names on them, and then there's a photo. I need to practice my Hangul. And then the last thing in this album is that's my dad and my sister. Is this poster. It's so cute. You know, I have so much posters, but I don't stick them on my wall because I don't really have space in my room. I don't have that much wall. It's my sister. I don't really have that much walls in my room to post stuff. So there. No, you can't. Can't see you. But okay, I think my most favorite thing of this album would probably be the making book. It's so nice. That's it. That's all the contents of the album. You should go get it because it is worth it. It's not even a joke. I got this from Winter Blush. She sells it at 2,400 pesos. And oh, I can't forget the QR code. Just to make sure that it's real. If you guys have gotten it or ordered from Weavers, I can't wait for you guys to get yours. Because damn, that's my favorite album right now. That's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. See you guys for another new video next.